Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole and this channel is all about health, wellness, and designing your dream life. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the 3 things that you can do to make your habits stick. The first thing that you can be doing to help your habits stick is to actually get an accountability partner. Now, I know that you've probably heard this one before, but I'm going to dive a little bit deeper on how to actually do this. So what you don't want to do is actually just go around and tell absolutely everybody you can find what your goals are and what habits you're trying to build. Studies have shown that you're actually less likely to hit your goal or develop a new habit if you tell everybody that you can find. However, if you actually tell 2 to 3 people in your life, 2 to 3 of your closest friends and family, you're actually more likely to reach your goal or to help develop that habit. Now, to actually reinforce this, it's so much better if you can have those 2 to 3 people that you tell actually be people who know each other and frequently hang out together in your life. So, for example, if it's yourself and maybe 2 or 3 other friends that always hang out together, tell those people so that when you go and you hang out with them, let's say you go out for dinner, and somebody turns to you and says, "Hey, how is that going? How are you doing with that?" The other people in that friend group can look at you and say, "Yeah, how are you going with that?" And then it sort of becomes positive peer pressure. So that's a really good way to keep you accountable. Whereas if you only tell one person, you're more likely to slip off and not keep up with those habits or reach that goal. And same thing as if you tell a whole bunch of people, if you tell absolutely every single one of your friends, everybody in your family, anybody that you meet on the street, you're actually less likely to reach that goal. What I want you guys to do is write down in the comment section below what goal or habit is it that you're developing, and tag the people who you want to be your accountability partners and let them know this is what you're working on and they need to hold you accountable. The second thing that you can do to help make your habits stick is to do your habits in the morning. So let's say you're trying to develop the habit of going to the gym. If you can do that first thing in the morning, you're more likely to actually stick to your habit and create a routine around it rather than trying to do it after work. So why this actually works is a thing called decision fatigue. So when you wake up first thing in the morning, you haven't made any decisions yet, you're more likely to make positive decisions like going to the gym. Whereas at the end of the day, we're more fatigued from all of the different decisions that you've had to make, and you're less likely to make good decisions. And that's why towards the end of the day, we tend to make bad decisions like eating ice cream after dinner and just eating all kinds of crap, things like that, or you're more likely to skip a workout. There's obviously other factors at play here, but decision fatigue is something that we can really control by limiting the amount of decisions that we have to make throughout the day. Even just starting with things like picking out your outfit the day before so that you don't have to worry about what you're going to put on. You wake up, you put on your clothes. Same thing with your workouts. You just wake up, your gym clothes are already there, and you go straight to your workout. One way that you can try and start implementing this into your life is limiting the amount of decisions that you have to make. So like I said, you can start by laying out the clothes that you want to wear the night before. So instead of having to wake up and sit there looking at your closet and trying to figure out what you're going to wear, you already know exactly what you're going to put on. Even things like meal planning. If you already lay out the week before what exactly you're going to be eating, then that's less decisions that you have to make throughout the week. You already know exactly what you're going to be eating. The third thing that you can be doing to help make your habits stick is integrate them into your identity. Now, I've seen a few videos on this recently, but I feel like it's actually really understated. Like, this should be the very first thing that you're doing in order to help develop new habits, is that you need to have them as part of your identity. You need to be that person who does that habit every single day. So for example, let's say I'm walking on the street and somebody offers me a cigarette. I'm going to say no because I don't identify as somebody who is a smoker. I'm a non-smoker. That's part of my identity. So it's very easy for me to say, no, I don't want to smoke, thanks. So if you can try and integrate this into other areas of your life. So if you're trying to live a more healthy life, you need to picture yourself and identify yourself as somebody who is healthy. So what does that look like for you? And I want you to actually write this down, draw it out, make a little stick figure if you need to. What does a healthy lifestyle look like for you? You can use the tool of visualization as well. So I want you to close your eyes and imagine what your life would look like if you already adopted those habits, if you were already living a healthy lifestyle. What would that look like for you from the moment that you wake up to the moment that you go to sleep? I want you to go through each and every single step of your day, from what clothes you put on in the morning, to what you eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, to what time you work out, what sort of exercises do you do, things like that. and I want you to plan out exactly what it would look like. The second part of this is to change the way that you think from I will do that to I am doing that. You need to put things into the present tense. So instead of saying, I will eat a salad today because I'm trying to be healthy, it becomes I am healthy. I nourish my body with healthy foods. So what I want you to do with this visualization technique is every single day I want you to do that visualization. So actually picture your day from start to finish as the type of person that has those habits that you're trying to develop. Then I want you to pick one thing every single day that you do in that visualization, and I want you to adopt that into your real life. So if in your visualization, the healthy person that you're trying to become goes for a walk every single day. So pick that one thing and start going for a walk every single day. And once that becomes a habit, you can pick another thing from your visualization. The more that you can actually see yourself becoming that type of person and living that type of life and actually feeling it and associating emotions with it, the more likely that you're actually going to adopt that lifestyle. You can't just say, I want to be healthy, and not actually put in any work, any effort, any emotion into it. It's not going to work. You have to identify with that. I hope that actually makes sense. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll try and get back to you guys. So to summarize, those are the 3 things that you need to be doing to help your habits stick. You need to get an accountability partner. You need to limit decision fatigue by doing your habits first thing in the morning or by pre-planning for them. And the third thing is that you need to integrate your habits as part of your identity. That's all for today, guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really helps support my channel, and like this video for more content just like this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.